In this session we'll look at the prefix, toko. We use toko when counting people. If we use toko, we would use it from the numbers 1 through to 9. And like tua, once we hit the prefix tua, once we hit 10, we would drop the prefix toko. If I ask the question, toko hea ngā tamariki, I'm asking how many children are there. I could simply say toko rima ngā tamariki. There are 5 children. Toko rua, there are 2. Toko whā, there are 4 people. Toko ono, there are 6. Toko iwa, there are 9. Toko hea ngā tamariki, te kau ngā tamariki. There are 10 children. So you see where we drop the toko once we hit 10. Hope you got that. Kia ora.